Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change banner box button color in Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. To change the button color in your Shopify store's banner, follow these steps. In your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to Online Store and Themes. Locate your current theme and click the action, then Edit Code. Tap on the Assets folder in the left corner and select the CSS file where your theme styles are defined. Common file names include base.css, theme CSS, style CSS, or theme SCSS liquid, but I will choose base.css. Now scroll to the bottom of the selected CSS file. Add the following code, adjusting the color values as needed. This code targets the banner button, setting the background to a light brown, the text to white, and removes any additional styling effects. Now, click Save to apply the changes. Then, preview your store to ensure the banner button reflects the new colors. If the changes don't appear, try clearing your browser cache or checking for any conflicting styles in your theme's CSS. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.